Welcome to our channel. If you're in the construction industry or tackling DIY projects, you know how important precision and speed are when cutting steel. Today, we bring you our top picks for 2025. Cut steel like a pro. Top 5 hydraulic rebar cutters. These tools are game changers, offering unmatched power, speed, and efficiency. From compact models for on-the-go jobs to heavy-duty machines for industrial tasks, we've got it all covered. Stick around as we break down the best features, cutting speeds, and why these cutters are dominating the market. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for more details. Now, let's get started. Number 1. RC16 Hydraulic Rebar Cutter. Looking for a powerful and reliable tool for cutting steel bars? Meet the RC16 Portable Electric Hydraulic Rebar Cutter by VEVOR, designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This hydraulic cutting tool is perfect for commercial use and construction projects, handling rebar sizes from 4mm to 16mm with ease. Powered by an efficient hydraulic mechanism, the RC16 ensures clean, precise cuts without sparks or burrs, making it safe and user-friendly. Its compact design enhances portability, so you can easily carry it to any job site. Crafted from durable materials, this tool is built to withstand heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're a contractor or working on a home project, the RC16 is a game changer. Check the description for more details and where to buy. Number 2. SC16 Hydraulic Rebar Cutter. We're reviewing the SC16 Hydraulic Rebar Cutter by enthusiast, a versatile metal cutting tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With a cutting range of 0.16 to 0.63 inches, this cutter can handle rebar, fences, chains, and more with precision and ease. Powered by a hydraulic mechanism, the SC16 ensures smooth, spark-free cuts, making it safe for any environment. Its compact, portable design includes a sturdy toolbox, perfect for transporting between job sites. Built for metalworking projects, the SC16 is an excellent addition to your toolkit for durability and efficiency. If you're tackling rebar or metalwork projects, the SC16 might be your ideal solution. Check out the product link in the description for more details and pricing. Number 3. 8T Portable Hydraulic Rebar Cutter. Introducing the 8T Portable Hydraulic Rebar Cutter by enthusiast, your ultimate tool for effortless and precise metal cutting. Built for both DIY enthusiasts and professional metalworkers, this manual rebar cutter offers a cutting force of 8 tons, 17,637 pounds, making it powerful enough to handle tough materials with ease. Equipped with a 12-chrome blade, the cutter delivers clean, efficient cuts through steel bolts and rebars within a shear range of 0.4 cm to 1.6 cm, 0.16 to 0.63 inches. The dual-sealed design ensures durability and reduced wear, making it perfect for long-term use. The compact cutter head measures 13 by 6.5 centimeters, 5.12 by 256 inches, ensuring portability and convenience on any job site. Whether you're working on construction or crafting projects, this versatile tool is a must-have. Check the description below for more details and where to get yours today. Number 4. RC22 Electric Hydraulic Rebar Cutter. Looking for a robust and efficient tool for heavy-duty rebar cutting? Introducing the RC22 Electric Hydraulic Rebar Cutter, a professional-grade tool designed to tackle rebar sizes up to 7/8 inch, 7 or 4 to 22 mm effortlessly. Powered by a 1350 watts motor and 110 volts input, this cutter offers unmatched performance for construction projects, industrial use, and commercial manufacturing. The RC22's hydraulic mechanism delivers precise cuts with a speed of 3.5 to 4 seconds, saving you valuable time. It comes equipped with durable, replaceable blades to ensure consistent results over extended use. The compact and portable design makes it easy to transport to any job site. If you're a contractor or DIY enthusiast, this rebar cutter will exceed expectations. Check the description below for details and purchasing links. Number 5. VEVOR Portable Electric Hydraulic Rebar Cutter. We're showcasing the VEVOR Portable Electric Hydraulic Rebar Cutter, a must-have tool for professionals working in construction, railways, or oil fields. This versatile cutter is available in 4 models: RC16, RC20, RC22, and RC25, catering to various steel bar diameters ranging from 4mm to 25mm, equipped with powerful motors ranging from 900 watts to 1700 watts. These cutters deliver fast and precise results, cutting through rebar in as little as 2.5 to 5.5 seconds depending on the model. Its hydraulic mechanism ensures smooth and burr-free cuts, making it safer and more efficient than traditional tools. Built with durability in mind, it operates on 110 volts, 60 Hz, making it perfect for heavy-duty projects. Check the description for details and where to buy. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Here are our top 5 picks, carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.